Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We are here to talk about this week's weekly specials. So what do we have on sale this week that you can buy around the holiday season? We've got a lot of things that we've got just maybe one in stock of, and then a few that we have multiples in. So what do we have here on the weekly specials? Let's check it out. All right, so when you go to hookedonpickin.com, you just simply will come to this opening page. You can go here to the shop drop-down menu. Weekly specials is right at the top. You can click there, or you can scroll down if you're on your phone. You can click the weekly specials button there. So let's go to the weekly specials. We have 12 new items every week, and so what do we have on the weekly specials list today? We have a really beautiful velvet trim blouse. It is wine colored, size 2X. We have it discounted down to $14.99. I thought this would be perfect for the holiday time because it's kind of Christmas colors. Then next we have the Wipeout Dry Erase Kids Knee Pads set. So it basically comes with dry erase markers, and you can color on the knee pads and put different designs on it because it is made for dry erase markers. So $5.99 for this child size set of knee pads, and you can make all sorts of different designs on it. $5.99. Then we have these women's winter lambskin touch leather gloves. So you can actually use them with your touchscreen phone. They're fleece lined, really nice, pretty pink embroidery on the back here, $9.99. And so perfect for this time of the year. Then we have the women's Santa Swipe Right graphic sweater. So when you swipe one direction, it says Santa. The other direction, it says reindeer. And so size large for this cool sweater. So if you have an ugly sweater party, this one's actually kind of cute. I would wear this on a regular day around Christmas time. So $14.99 for this cool sweater. Then we have this Shea Body Fabulous Oil 3.3 fluid ounces. This is the last bottle we have. It was $19.99. It is discounted down to $9.99, so snatch it up. Then we have this off-the-shoulder white dress with ruffle, very mermaid style, very elegant. Thought, well, you're going to some holiday parties. Here you go. $12.99 for this size extra large. Then we have Fubbles Bubble Blower. This is to entertain the grandkids when they come over to your house, or the young children when they're home from the holidays off of school. So $3.99 for this fun bubble blower. You will get various different colors, and so check those out at $3.99. There's multiples. Then we have these hearing aid batteries, really steel. So they are the P312 hearing aid batteries, and so you can buy them in different options. You get a 2-pack, which gives you 12 batteries because there's 6 in each pack. A 5-pack will give you 30 batteries, and 10 packs will give you 60 batteries, and they all have different prices. So $249 for the 2-pack, $5.99 for the 5-pack, and $9.99 for the 10-pack. So we have a bunch of those, so go ahead and snatch them up at a really discounted price. Then we have paint thinner here for your acrylic paints, $1.99. We have quite a few of these in stock, so make sure you get them. It's a really inexpensive price. Then we have a Casemate Brilliance Folio dual stand impact protection case for an iPad Pro. It is for a 10.5-inch tablet there, iPad Pro. $3.99 for that, and it is this exact color. Then we have the Wuggle Pets Funny Monkey Kit. This is like a Build-A-Bear, so it's a cute little plush animal. It comes with a backpack clip, fluffy stuffing, magic dust, personality charms, so you stick different things inside of him. It even has a birth certificate, and you create your basically funny monkey Build-A-Bear style plush, ages 4+, $7.99 for this whole kit, but it's a fun thing to create their own stuffed animal. And then we have one more item here, the International Concepts Women's Black Studded Halter Wide Leg Jumpsuit. It is a plus size 2X romper, $14.99, and it's really cute. Look at the fun studded detail on the bottom, and then of course up on the top neckline. So really pretty romper there. It is brand new with tags, $14.99. So make sure you go to hookedonpickin.com and check out all of the weekly specials. Every week they are changed, and they're already discounted prices, so you don't have to worry about a promo code or anything. So go snatch up those weekly specials, and then of course remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.